Hello there, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Uwana Udo, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. However, my mission has been to help a lot of men or help a lot of people get back in shape. And the topic for this video today will be how to lose belly fat for men. So if you're a guy, um, then this video will apply to you. And even if you're not, I wanted to make this video specifically for my male subscribers, but however, this can also apply to my female subscribers, okay? So why should you listen to me? Well, back in 2019, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer, and the early part of 2020, just before the health crisis hit, I had to have surgery to get rid of my prostate. And ever since, it's been constant monitoring and checkups and doctor visits and all that. And I pretty much figured out that we all have to take good care of ourselves. We all have to take good care of our health. And unfortunately, with everything going on today, most people neglect their health, okay, because everybody's busy with life, busy with their work, busy with kids, busy with everything else, but you neglect yourself. And at the end of the day, you only have one life, which is why I have been on a mission now, to get myself healthy, get myself fit, and also be an inspiration to other people who are probably dealing with cancer or dealing with other health issues. So it all comes down to your health, okay? Your health is very important. Your health is paramount. Now, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you eat the right breakfast. Okay, I know there are different programs where you have to skip meals and all that stuff, but breakfast I think is very important. On a side note, I did do the keto diet whereby I was fasting for 16 hours and having my first meal like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then my second meal will be like 5 o'clock, and then from 5 till the next day I will not eat anything except drink water. Okay, so it was grueling. I got results, but however, I think it's very vital that you have breakfast, because breakfast sets you up, but you have to eat the right breakfast. So number one, you have to incorporate protein, so things like eggs, okay, has to be part of your diet. You got to make sure that you have some protein in your first meal, which is your breakfast. So the second thing you want to do is you want to eat only when you're hungry. Okay, people are stuck on the fact that you have to snack every single minute. Okay, you have a bag of chips, you have things like that. So make sure you're set up correctly. Make sure you have things available, so when you're hungry, then you can eat at that point in time. Okay. The third thing is you want to make sure that you eat at home, okay, which means you have to cook your meals, okay. It all comes down to, it's sometimes cheaper for you to cook your own meals than to eat out. So if you plan your day and you cook your meals at home, that will help you as well with making sure that you're making the right choices and you're not ending up getting belly fat. Number four, you want to make sure that you drink lots of water and less alcohol. I know some of you will go, well, but I like my beer, I like my wine, yeah, you can still have those, but I'm not saying you have to drink it every single day. Okay, you could maybe drink it once a week, like on the weekends when you want to wind down. A glass of beer, a glass of wine here and there shouldn't be an issue, as long as you're maintaining and doing all these things throughout the week, okay, and setting yourself up for success. Okay. Number five, you want to exercise after eating. Okay, it's been shown that a few hours, maybe an hour or two after you've had a meal and you go to exercise, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to get you through the exercise, but also it helps increase your metabolism and you get yourself going. Okay, so that's number five. Number six, you want to create a meal plan, which still ties into eating at home. Okay, so you want to sit down and create your meal plan for your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Okay, ideally you should be eating at least every 3 hours. Okay, so you should be eating at least every 3 hours to make sure that you have a balanced blood sugar. However, you want to make sure that you create a meal plan for yourself. So sit down like one day and figure out what you need to do in terms of your favorite meals. Okay, you don't have to deprive yourself of things. I'm not saying you have to eat Twinkies, okay, the whole week, but you got to make sure that you have a nutritious diet. Okay, which brings us to number 7. You have to eat a balanced meal. When I say eat a balanced meal, that means your meal has to contain protein, fats, and carbs. Okay, so I know they've always said, carbs are bad for you or things like that. Look, you have to have a balanced diet. Okay, so you have to make sure that you incorporate protein, fats, and carbs in every meal you have. Okay, and if you need some help with how to eat a balanced meal, I'm going to have a link in the description below, okay, on a program that I'm currently on, which is really helping me. I went from a size 42 waist to a size 36 waist right now. So, in just over a month and a half. So you can do it, okay? So if you want more information, make sure you click the link down below. It's gonna take you through a process, and then you'll see what program I am going through, okay? And then number 8, you want to make sure that you incorporate a lot of fiber in your diet, okay? There are different things that have fiber, okay? So you want to make sure that you incorporate, fiber into your diet. And then finally, you want to make sure that you incorporate, supplements. You definitely need supplements. You need collagen, you need protein supplements, to get you through your workout. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below on very vital program that I'm doing right now, and it's getting me in the best shape ever. So eventually I'm going to reveal my physique after I'm done with this program. So your health should be a lifestyle. It shouldn't be something whereby you want to go on a crash diet and then see results. Health has to be a lifestyle, okay? So staying fit has to be a lifestyle. So you want to make sure that you have a routine and get yourself in the best shape ever. So I hope you found value in this video. And like I said, this is just not for the men. Women can also apply this as well. And if you need more information, if you need more help, make sure you check the link down below. Get yourself, plugged in. And from time to time, I'll keep sharing things on personal finance, wealth creation, and also taking care of your health, because I think your health and your wealth are interconnected. Okay, you cannot neglect one or the other. Okay, you have to have both in balance. You have to make sure you focus on both, otherwise you find yourself in trouble. Okay, thank you so much for being here today, and as usual, make sure you smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and also hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell to all, so whenever I post a new video, YouTube will notify you. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in my next video coming up shortly. Bye bye.